last 10 years, Middle Passage Ceremonies and Port Markers Project has had the honor of meeting and working with people across this nation, up and down the Atlantic and Gulf coasts, to promote awareness of the presence and contributions of captive Africans and their descendants in building community and developing this nation. Today, there are 55 documented U.S. Middle Passage arrival locations. 29 have markers. 5 are in planning for marker installations in 2022, and 21 still require ceremonies and markers. From 1526 to 1860, approximately 500,000 captured children, women, and men arrived in the U.S. mainland. The following are images of these locations with the date that first ship arrived, beginning the Middle Passage history at that location.